Crow. Stop. Stop. Stop kicking. Oh no. The baby lizard. Stay there. You're gonna stay here. Where are you? Mama?
Yes?
Whatever I saw this flashlight at, that him. His eyes are bright green. Damn. He's a big sauropod.
A big sauropod.
Yeah, I can see his legs. Wow. His legs are so neat. I can see him. So green too. Those legs are meat.
They're meat?
Yeah. It's so his leg is Mama, I think that's a Palasaurus that stretches his leg up in the air. So he doesn't eat.